عبار، وقتنا كان جدا جميل معاك صراحة وايد.
Our future better and by crafting our journey ourselves. I'd like to begin with a moment of reflection. Here in the Arab world, we often look at the West for inspiration. And businesses
Lots of issues happen as I climb up. And as I was reaching the summit, I reached the summit very late. And coming back, I was alone and I got stuck there. And I got lost.
Like in a way, and if so, what was the thing that kept you going in a way? Because we all go through this in life where you want to quit, you want to leave. Maybe take us through that if you're okay with that.
Actually, I'm going to lean in and want to connect with more and help further.
I don't know where you live, but tap water to avoid. Because it's contains chlorine usually. And chlorine is the enemy of the bacteria. So it will kill the bacteria. What is the best recommendation? Maybe water bottle.
Caravans for support and protection from wind, so many uses for settlers.
Experience of that, and also I know one thing we discussed off stage, which I would love for you to share, is what are the different factors that women are assessed in order to win sponsorship, social media presence, and let's say business and things. Maybe you're too far from me.
excellent team who are surrounding me every single day in every aspect of my life to make sure that I perform at the best, to make sure that I'm the best character that I can be in front of the film, to make sure that our videos are the best quality they can be, to make sure that our work is getting shared and loved by audience, to make sure that I'm okay. You know, when you're a creator, you can feel alone. And no one really checks if you're okay. But sometimes, you know, one of my team goes, just like, "Khalid, you good? You alright?" Randomly. Just want to make sure you're good, you're happy, all okay? Need anything, need any support? Want to go out and grab a pizza? You know, something.
Hi guys, so I'm baking cookies with the help of some people. If it flops, we will not post it. But if it does not flop, we'll post it. We'll even share a recipe.
Yes.
But not so much.
It was really nice.
Nice. Chef's kiss.
No, it was really nice, really. But
Okay,
no,
thank you.
Honest review.
You're looking like your own is not honest. Guys, just call me Chef QG because I tried my hands on muffin and look at it. Look at how beautiful they are looking. Chocolate chip muffins. I know that some are bigger than some and they're not looking really nice. But this is my first time and the taste is perfect. It's not too sweet. I'm even happy about that because when I was putting the sugar I was like, it's so sugary, but it was just good. I actually like the big ones because the small ones, they came out too small. Look at this one, like this one. Yep. So that's it for tonight. I made cookies, I made these muffins. I'm just feeling myself. I'm actually proud of myself. So I'll only be sharing the recipe to people that actually believed that I could do it. But all those ones that were doubting me, I'm not going to share the recipe with you. Alright now. Bye guys.